In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,295 in commission with Amazon Associates Affiliate Marketing posting digital products on Pinterest. This is new method, new strategies, and new secrets that you guys really should start using if you want to earn like these commissions every single month. I made these commissions just in the last month from the first day of October until the day 31. As you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, my commissions, my samurai commissions and bounties and so on. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon Associates affiliate marketing with promoting digital products, this video is for you. So step number one, you need to create an Amazon affiliate account. So go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link over here. You need to sign up to Amazon Associates. Click on sign up. Sign up process is super easy and simple. Just click over here on create your Amazon account. And here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name and last name, your email address, your password and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates Affiliate Marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you need to choose a good digital product that you will start promoting on Pinterest to earn commissions. Okay, and I will share with you one of my profitable digital products that I'm promoting on Pinterest. But first, you need to go to Google and search for Pinterest and click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and they will ask you, do you want to create a business account or personal account? Choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Let me show you. So after you finish, like I said, this will be your home page on Pinterest. So what you will do next, you will go to Amazon, go and open your Amazon account. So now I will share with you guys my digital product that I'm promoting on Pinterest that made me a lot of commissions. Okay, I will click here on the search and search for Etsy. Okay, search for Etsy, this digital product. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Okay, let's scroll down. Always choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews, like this one has over 500 reviews, which is really good. So why I choose this digital product? Because from my experience, I find that a lot of people use Pinterest. People who has a Etsy shop account, they are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy products and to get more sales. So those people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy product, they will be interested to buy this digital product to learn more about Etsy, okay, and to get more sales. So what you will do, I will click on this digital product about Etsy, this one, like this. You will be directly in this seller profile page to this product's digital page. Click on this picture, just click on this picture, double click and click on save image. You need to save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Etsy. So after you finish, go back to your Pinterest account and click over here on home feed. Click on create pin and click over here and upload the picture that you download from Amazon. Okay, this one about Etsy digital products. Open, and here you go. You need title and you need description. So what you will do next, you will go back to this digital product page on Amazon and copy this title. Go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description. Go back to this seller profile page. Scroll down. This is his description. I will copy this part. and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Amazon account, to this digital Amazon product page, and like I said guys, you should already have an affiliate account with Amazon, so you can start seeing like this bar over here and get your affiliate link. So this one, Site Stripe. So to get an affiliate link for this digital products, you just need to click over here on get link, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, you can create a board and just give it a name, and that's it. It's super easy and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one, Amazon, and here you need to put keywords. So I will go back and I will just put those keywords in my title here. Okay, I will copy this title. This title has keywords. Those keywords are not very important here in tags. The best and the most important thing is your title and your description. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first digital product on Pinterest. Okay, you guys don't, a lot of people are not using digital products. You guys really start focus and start promoting digital product. They are also really profitable. Okay, don't focus just on physical products. Start promoting also digital products. Okay, just find good digital products, do more research, see which digital products can help people grow their businesses, and start promoting those digital products, and you can make so much money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, so your digital products will be published like this. This is your picture, this is your title, and that's it. This is your title over here, and this is your Amazon affiliate link here, and this is your picture. Okay, if you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and they will get back to you. And for people also who don't know, I'm not I'm not just using Pinterest to promote my digital products and my physical products. I'm using also YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and so much more. If you are interested to see and get more methods like this, comment affiliate marketing in this video, like this video, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay consistent. If you stay consistent, if you keep doing more research, I can guarantee to you that you will make your first commissions just in the first few days of starting this business. Of course, if you will stay consistent and do more research and follow those methods that I'm sharing with you in my YouTube channel. And that's it. See you in my next videos.